Model, 71 plate Vauxhall Combo Dynamic 1.5 TD engine knocking needs repair 83k miles Euro 6 plus VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 83,953. MOT, the 2nd of February 2026. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 turbo 100 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows. Euro status,